possible at $3. Surprise, yeah. 20. You like the sandwiches, but it's 99 cents each per session? I love it too. Haha. That's more fair enough. There's 3 ways money choices, but just 99 cents each. The way that is a fast food. All the little George Washington tickets savings is just $1 to buy double stack, a cheddar bacon cheeseburger, or a crispy chicken sandwich. And it says, yeah, car! And then I cry in front of a door, there's nothing to say. There's nothing to say what these, and then they're shunning. Why are you doing this test? I better want these. Wendy's drinking nothing. You get a double stack. 3 ways money choices, which is 99 cents each. And the fast food is ready. I love you. I love you too. I was talking to the bacon.
You was talking to the bacon?
Too. The Gillette bacon cheeseburger value comma. The French fries and the drink. It's delicious. It's ready. You're gonna get a spicy nugget. I want you to always in this Wendy. Always in this snow. And I sound you. And you sound. Once upon a time. New spicy nugget. 1 chicken nugget. 1 3 ways my choices but spicy chicken nugget every day. The way that you fast food is great. He sure did. In 990 double stack in the creation in the value. How I feel? Well, can I have $1? Sure. Can I have a double stack? No. Thank you. Teacher? Student. Wendy's double stack cheeseburger at 99 cents and save much more. 1 and 3 ways and 99 sandwiches are Wendy's super value. That's the way better than the fast food. That's right.